Okay, I just bought this new Hoover retractable cord vacuum, and I'm quite pleased with it. It was $89 plus tax, delivered by FedEx from Walmart. I didn't get it from Amazon because Walmart had a sale, and I generally would prefer Amazon, I think, but occasionally Walmart will beat them out. And anyway, this is the crazy thing. It's retractable. And unlike this retractable, well, light's bad. This one's retractable, and you just pull it all the way out. You know, if you can pull it out, and then it just stops. But this one, thinking it was the same way, I just pulled it all the way out, and then it wouldn't retract. And I go, what the hell? And then of course, I read the instructions, and it says you're supposed to stop here, you know, before the red, and do not pull it beyond the red, because now it won't retract. And furthermore, when you read the instructions, it says you should pull it all the way out. This is a safety thing, I guess, because when you're running these things, it's probably near 12 amp. That one's 12 amp. The wires can heat up, and if they're all coiled up in there, I guess it could catch on fire. You know, I mean, we're talking extremely remote. You know, the lawyers are in on all this. They have to be. Liability. But now I'm going to have to, you know, I may just leave it the way it is and you know, leave it all tangled up here. What a hassle, because I'm sure I would have to disassemble something here to get it to work right. In fact, I did it to that one once it got jammed, but I did manage to fix it. Anyway, I guess you should read the instructions first. Okay, so thank you. You know, it's a good deal. 89, even more, you know. Oh, that's the other thing. I bought this thing about 20 years ago. I'd say 2002, something like that. And it has performed flawlessly. I would not even replace it, except I was kind of handling it roughly, and I broke the...
All right, these are fuzzies from our dog's squeaky toy that exploded on the couch. I'm going to use a Hoover vacuum cleaner. See, this one? There we are. To try to get these fuzzies off. It hasn't worked so far, but I'm going to try it again. Nope, nothing. I'll use a rolly brush. A little bit of action, but nothing here. Don't waste the money. Hello, just received my item, but with broken box, and I don't want to take a chance to open it. So this is the video of how this vacuum vacuums.
so you can understand. This is not paint or anything.
Hoover, WindTunnel. Had it for a couple of years. Freaking works.